this video. In the previous video, we learnt about the discriminant and nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Today we will see some interesting examples based on this. The number of pens with Sohan is 3 less than the number of pens with Mohan, and the product of the number of pens is 28. Is this possible? Pause the video and write the quadratic equation for this situation and then match it with the video. Can you guess how to begin with the solution? Correct. First, we have to compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, which gives us the values of a, b, and c. What do we have to do now? Now, we have to find out the nature of the roots to check the possibility of the situation given in the question. How can we determine the nature of the roots? For this, we need to find the discriminant of the quadratic equation, that is, b squared minus 4ac. On substituting the values of a, b, and c, we get the value of discriminant to be 121. Based on this, can you tell the nature of roots of the given quadratic equation? On observing, we can see that the value of discriminant is greater than 0. And we know that if value of the discriminant of a quadratic equation is greater than 0, then that equation has two unequal real roots. So the quadratic equation x squared minus 3x minus 28 equal to 0 has two unequal real roots. Hence, we can say that this situation is possible. Let us look at another example. While learning the quadratic equation lesson, Jaya saw the equation 2x squared plus kx plus 8 equal to 0. Seeing this, she asks her friend Jay a question. The question was, for which value or values of k will the quadratic equation have imaginary roots? Jay says, it's very easy. I will solve it now. First of all, by comparing this equation broadly with the standard form of the quadratic equation, we get the values of a, b, and c. We know that the roots of quadratic equation will be imaginary if the value of its discriminant is less than 0, that is, negative. If we substitute the values of a, b, and c in this and solve, we get that k is greater than negative 8 and smaller than positive 8. So, for every value of k greater than negative 8 and smaller than positive 8, the quadratic equation 2x squared plus kx plus 8 equal to 0 will have imaginary roots. In this video, we have seen some interesting examples based on discriminant of the quadratic equation and nature of roots. In the next video, we will see the common mistakes that arise while solving these types of questions.